the space matrix, also known as the strategic position and action evaluation matrix. And so Chicago State seems to be in the defensive quadrant, and I'll tell you why. Well, first, we'll start out just by explaining how to get to there anyway. So, first, a set of variables was chosen: the financial position, the competitive, the stability, and the industry. And so, on the graphic chart, there are a list of negative numbers and positive numbers. And so, the positive numbers, it would be for the financial position and for the industry, the industry position dimensions. And then for the stability and the competitive position, those would be negative. And so, according to that, you would plot on the graph, and according to those factors, it has led to the defensive quadrant on that side of the space matrix. And for the defensive profiles, it means, well, where Chicago State is at is a financially troubled firm in a very unstable industry. And another reason why I chose that was because a bunch of universities in the state of Illinois were going through budget cuts. And so it impacted not just Chicago State, it impacted all of the universities. So the industry is kind of unstable. And then obviously, Chicago State is in a financial predicament right now. And so that only made sense. And for the defensive quadrant, it says that, well, the text says that it suggests the firm should focus on improving internal weaknesses and avoiding external threats. And so, like I had mentioned earlier, it just needs to get a better grip on the internal controls and then try to use their strengths to avoid the external threats. And I think they should be okay, or else they could lead to divestiture or liquidation. And they don't want that, I'm sure.